Hello everyone, this is my Carmona or Fukin tree, Bame Bonsai. As you can see, it is quite mature, with a well-developed neighborhood, an elegant trunk line, balanced branch arrangement, and fine ramifications. Today's video is specially for those who buys bonsai but struggle to maintain its shape, and as well as for those who are afraid to buy one because they think that the maintenance is difficult. Okay, if you look at the tree, you can see that some shoots have extended beyond the outline of the tree shape. So I simply need to trim them back to restore the tree's original outline. It is just like haircut. Trim it back, trim it back, trim it back. Okay, done. First round of pruning is complete. Now we need to move on to detailed pruning, where we'll focus on specific shoots and branches, such as inward growing branches, upward growing branches, crossing branches, downward growing, and parallel branches also. Okay, this round of pruning is crucial because it improves airflow throughout the tree and allows more sunlight to reach the inner branches. These two factors help keep your bonsai healthy and encourage balanced growth. Okay, the second round of pruning is also done. If you do these two things every 3 or 4 months, your bonsai will always maintain its shape. It will also encourage healthier growth and make your tree denser and more compact. So thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you once again. See you soon. Till then, happy bonsai gardening.